today's video, we'll take a journey through the serene beauty of the countryside. As the sun rises, soft golden light washes over the rolling hills, illuminating lush fields of green and the rustic charm of wooden cottages nestled in the landscape. You can almost hear the gentle breeze rustling through the trees, while a narrow path winds through a meadow of wildflowers. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. As we continue, the sun dips low on the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange. Birds fly overhead, adding to the peaceful melody of the countryside. Whether it's the misty mornings, the quiet afternoons, or the magical sunsets, the countryside offers a sense of tranquility that's hard to find anywhere else. Join us as we explore these breathtaking scenes and immerse ourselves in the beauty of rural life.